Exercise 12.1 Problem 1 discussion. A die is thrown twice. Find the probability of getting a total of 9. Okay, so the first die can give 6 possible outcomes. The second die can give 6 possible outcomes. So totally there are 36 possible outcomes. Well, we list it out when we do the solution. And what they are asking is, what is the probability of getting 9? 9, how and what possible ways you can get? The first die giving 2, if it gives 2, the second die has to give 7. That is not possible, right? So the first die giving 3, the second die giving 6. The first die giving 4, the second die giving a dice 5. The first die giving 5 and the second die giving 4. The first die giving 6 and the second die giving 3. So these are all the possible outcomes by which you will be able to get a total of 9, right? And we know the first die will give 6 outcomes. It can give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Similarly, the second die can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 possible ways the first die can give, 6 possible ways the second die can give. So the total number of ways is always multiply these two. So 6 into 6, 36 ways the outcomes can come out. I'll show it to you when we list it out, then it will become very clear. Okay, so total number of ways 36 and the number of ways favorable to us is 4. So probability of getting 9 is 4 divided by 36, that is 1 by 9. Okay, so that is how this problem will be worked out. We'll list it out here. So what is given? A die is thrown twice. What are we asked? We are asked to find the probability of getting a total of 9. What is the formula? The same. Probability of event A is n of A divided by n of S. In all these problems, the steps will be the same. So after this, I don't think I'll be going through these steps. You can take a look at it. There won't be any major change. Always, first step, list the sample space and find n of S. Then define event A. In this case, the event A, whatever we want to happen, we will define that as A. If you want the total to be 10, we will say the event A is nothing but A is the event of getting a total of 10. If you want 15, then we will say A is the event of getting 15. Okay, it goes on like that. Next, so list the possible outcomes of A and find of n of A. Then probability is nothing but n of A divided by n of S. So this is the whole thing. These are the generic steps for all the problems. Okay, so after this problem, I don't think I'll be going through each and every step. I think this problem is wrong. It's problem. I'm not sure. We need to check this one out. Okay. Right. Next, it's problem 2. So it is basically it's 2. Okay. Right. Now, come to the solution. Okay, so this is the sample space. What is the sample space? Sample space is all possible outcomes. Now you have to do it little carefully. So whenever you are throwing the two dice can give different numbers or same numbers. All these things are possible. Let's take first die is giving 1. And what will the second die give you? The second die can give us 1, or it can give you 2, or it can give you 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 number of ways the outcome can happen. We are fixing the first die is giving 1, right? Then the second die can give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So there are 6 number of ways for this to happen. Now the first die can give you 2. In that case, the second die again can give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like that you keep on repeating. So the first die can give you 3 and the same thing happens for the second die. First die giving you 4 and the second die can happen any of these things. The first die giving you 5, the second die can give you any of these things. The first die giving you 6, the second die can give you any of these things. So altogether if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every row has got 6 outcomes. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 6, 36 number of ways the outcome can happen. Any of these things are possible. So this is the first step. We have to find out what are all the possible ways outcome can happen. Whenever they give you 2 events, that is 2 dice, 3 dice, this is the way to do. Fix one. So let's say the first die is giving you 1, and what are all the possible ways second can come. Then change the first die outcome. So here we are changing. The first die is now giving you 2. Then what are all the ways the second die can give. Now the next is we are changing the outcome of first die from 2 to 3. If 3 happens, what are all the ways the second die can give. Right? So this is how you will be able to list out the sample space. Now we have found how many ways of outcome are there. 36 ways are there. There's another way of doing it. Whenever the first die can give you 6 outcomes and the second die can also give 6 outcomes, right? Am I right? First die can give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second die can also give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of ways is this into this. 6 into 6. 36 ways you will be able to get. That's a property which we'll explain a little later. But for now you take it this way, right? Now, next thing. Now we have listed out sample space. So what is next? We'll define event A. That event A is getting a total of 9 from the 2 die. What is the possible? So now let's check what are all the places where you're getting 9. So here, when the first die gives you 3 and the second die gives you 6, you're getting 9. Next, see 4 and 5. First die giving you 4, second die giving you 5. Then 5 and 4. Then 6 and 3. Anything else? That's all. So these are the 4 ways you can get 9. So there are 4 possible outcomes for us. So what is the probability? Probability is 4 by 9. Okay. Now anyway, let's go to the second page. So let A be the event of a total 9 when the die is thrown twice. Of getting a total, I'm sorry, I should write the event of getting a total. Just you please write here. A be the event of getting a total of getting a total of 9 when the die is thrown twice. So this is the list which I showed it to you. So the first die can give you 3, in which case if the first die gives you 1, you will not be able to get 9. Can you see that? When the first die gives you 1, the maximum the second die can give is 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So it's not possible. Similarly, when the first die gives 2, the maximum the second die can give you is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So this is also not possible. When the first die gives you 3, then if the maximum this can give you is 6. So 3 plus 6 is possible. 9. Then the first die can give you 4. The same way you can do. First die is giving you 4. List out from the first die perspective. So first die giving you 4. The second die gives you 5. Yes, it's possible. Next, the first die giving you 5 and the second die can give you 9 minus 5, 4. Yes, possible. Then the first die giving you 6. The second die giving you 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is also possible. So this is a way. If you don't want to list out all the outcome and check it, this is the way. So list out the first possible outcome. So the first die is giving you 3 and this will be 9. Second, the first die giving you 4. So 9 minus 5, 4, 5. Yes, it's possible. First die giving you 5 and the second die can give you 9 minus 5, 4. The first die giving you 6 and the second die giving you 9 minus 3 is 6. These are all the possible. But as I said, first die giving you 1 cannot be taken because the second die maximum can give us 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, which is less than 9. So that will not work. The second case, first die giving you 2 is also not possible because second die gives you 2. The first die gives you 2 and the second die maximum can give us 6 only. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So that will not work. Only when the first die gives you 3, the whole thing starts. And the second die gives you 6, is okay. The first die gives you 4, the second die gives you 5. Okay. First die giving you 5 and the second die giving you 4. It's fine. And the last outcome will be when the first die giving you 6 and the second die giving you 9 minus 6, 3. So this is all the possible outcomes. How many outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So please don't count each and every die's outcome and say 8 outcomes. No. Our definition of an event is the getting 9 together. The 2 dice are thrown together. So the set, when 2 dice are thrown, whatever combination comes, that is an outcome. So this is 1 outcome, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. There are 4 possible outcomes and 4 possible outcomes which is favorable to us. So the probability of event A happening is n of A divided by n of S, that is 4. N of S we calculated 36. So 4 divided by 36, that is 1 by 9. So the probability of getting a total of 9 when when a die is thrown twice equal to 1 by 9. Okay. So I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.